Hey, what's up everyone? There's a whole lot to talk about, a whole lot of strangeness to share. My previous video regarding the presidential declaration of national emergency. So that was my previous video. Let me know what you think. What do you think will transpire from here? So what do you think will be the outcome of that? As well as just give your thoughts on it. So here we go. The first thing, the first evidence of natural cryopreservation of multicellular animals. Siberian worms frozen for 42,000 years have been successfully revived. Some interesting news there. Strange volcanic activity taking place around this world. Eruptions in Merapi, Indonesia, and Kadover, PNG, Shevelach, Russia, and Poas, Costa Rica. Now, if you, please don't mind the cat in the background. She's scratching on the door, knocking on the door. I'm going to have to stop her from doing that in a moment here, but I didn't want her to make a bunch of noise while I was doing a video. But back to this, they've discovered recently that there are two volcanoes that are interconnected underground in Indonesia, and they said it's ready to blow. So that's some more news. And a huge and bright fireball over Venezuela prompts alien reports. This fireball could have been a meteor. And right here, this is the middle of the night, but you can see that it lit up the sky in Venezuela. Epic space picture, a comet, meteor, and a nebula, and the Pleiades. So check out the Pleiades constellation there. Really cool. A doomsday fiery lenticular clouds float above Mount Etna, the volcano in Italy. Multiple pictures were posted to social media, as you can see here. Absolutely devastating, a blizzard has killed 1,600 dairy cows in lower Yakima Valley, Washington. This blizzard killed 1,600 cows. This person posted to social media dead cows there. And another asteroid or comet impact crater discovered in Greenland, just kilometers away from another impact crater they discovered a few days ago. This earthquake lasted 50 days, but no one felt it. A slow slip and tremor. And this was in Turkey, I believe. So no one felt this earthquake, but it took place for 50 days. And now they're talking about what I was speaking of a couple of days ago. Zombie deer. Deadly disease affecting deer population in 24 states and 2 Canadian provinces could eventually spread to and infect humans, but they're studying it right now. These deer begin to act like in a zombie-like state, so that's something to definitely pay attention to. And El Nino has officially arrived. They've been talking about it for a long time. I've been talking about it for a long time. I knew it was coming. I knew it was here already, but now they're stating it's officially arrived, so it's definitely like legitimate now. Before they were stating that it was a theory or an idea that it might be on the way. It was sort of they came to this that it might be on the way, but the El Nino phenomenon has happened. We went through La Nina and then now El Nino. Cascadia, a series of moderate earthquakes are striking off the Vancouver Islands. Check out this. Check this out here. Nature is awesome. Ghost apples in Sparta, Michigan. Amazing. These ice shapes took the formation of apples. That's quite something. Off of these frozen pieces of ice, basically, took the form of apples, even though there were no apples on the tree in Michigan. So pretty cool there. If that is legitimate, that is very cool. And 5 simultaneous wildfires going out of control right now. They're growing out of control in Chile. Curfews have been imposed as these 5 fires are burning and raging at the same time across the country of Chile. And a cross on the beach. A 20-foot cross washed up on the shore of a Fort Lauderdale beach, leaving everyone wondering where it came from. But check out this 20-foot cross. Interesting. There's a strange sound coming from the sky right now. I'm not sure what that is. But is this what snow looks like in hell, they stated? Eerie black snow falls in Siberia, Russia. Obviously, that was an exaggeration, but this is eerie, basically. Probably something to do with climate control or some sort of geoengineering or weather modification, creating this climate chaos. Black soot or soot, snow. Let me know what you think about this black snow. What's making these strange sounds? This noise, this was the background picture. Reports of these unexplained noises being increasing worldwide. But what's really causing them has people questioning, basically. What is making this strange noise in the sky over Justice, Illinois, or Illinois? This mystery sound has been plaguing people all across this world. So give your thoughts. I think it could definitely be prophetic, and it could also be something that they're doing that they're not telling us, but it's also likely prophetic. Sounds from heaven is what this has been called or dubbed, and the latest is out of Illinois, or Illinois. So give your thoughts. Peace and much love. These are some of the latest strange occurrences taking place in the world around us. Stay safe, everyone. Bye. Peace.